gone well down where I know that I still hear your footstep in a hall, even with the windows open, even with the sea pulling everything away. Yeah. There's a blue trail leaning by the kitchen wall, sunlight by afternoons. Regression, every bros Haïtis, every de profond batterie, one drop, classic steel drums. Léger d'accordéon, pour caler, demande une ambiance ensoleillée, mercanos et la vente vibe positive, romantique et fière d'un star à close. I sweep it out, it comes back in, like memory got its own weather. And sometimes I swear I hear you
down by the sink, coming out for sleep.
And then my bike starts shaking, and it's just a building again. Yeah, 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 yeah.
It's just a building,
trying not to fall apart. The guys at the harbor still ask about you,
like you only miss one season,
like your boat's just late from somewhere warm. I say yeah,
maybe,
then stare too long at my hands. Your room still smells faintly of coconut smoke and
rain-soaked denim.
I tried washing the sheets twice,
couldn't do the third.
there's a crack in the bedroom ceiling. I run
Straight above where you used to sleep.
Funny thing is, I never noticed silence could spread like that slow,
Quiet,
like water inside wood. And I keep talking to shadows in the corridor,
like they owe me answers.
like if I say your name enough, the walls might give you back. Oh, beach boy, where'd you go when the tide went dark?
You left your voice inside these rooms,
Now every night it echoes hard.
and I still leave the porch light on.
Stupid, huh? Like lost things still come home. Oh, beach boy, I hear your footsteps in the store, but the door stays closed. The door stays closed. I waited through the whole damn winter, you know that. Last night, I drove out near the old pier road, headlight shaking through the fog. There was a kid there, barefoot in the cold, singing something broken to the waves. For a second, I thought it was you.
But grief plays tricks, that's what people say.
Like grief, some little harmless animal, instead of a mouth that keeps eating the days. I came back home near sunrise, stood in the doorway, dripping rain, and finally noticed the house had learned to live without us, without you, without all the noise we made. Maybe love don't leave all at once. Maybe it stays in corners, inside coffee cups, inside old guitar strings, inside jackets nobody moves. Maybe that's why I couldn't let go, because losing you slowly felt too much like keeping you. And I headed the ocean for a while. Every wave sounded guilty, every gull outside my window felt like bad news circling. But tonight the water sounds softer, like it's tired too. Oh, beach boy, the moon still bends across the bay, silver on the broken tide, same as it did the day you went away. And I can't carry all this ghost light through every room alone, so I'll let the windows stay open now, let the night come and go. Oh, beach boy, if you're somewhere past the phone,
I hope to see you was gentle
when it finally took you home. Beach boy, beach boy. The curtains move with the wind tonight, and for the first time, I don't follow the sound.